Hey, in this video you'll learn how you can earn over $1,200 by just listening to Spotify music. It's a free method that you can earn some free PayPal money. Just think about what you can do with an extra $1,200 in your PayPal bank account. You just gotta put in the work, but I gotta warn you from the beginning that if you skip a step, if you rewind the video, skip a few seconds of the video, you won't know the website or the exact process, because I'll walk you step by step through the whole process of creating the strategy to make money with Spotify and actually making money and withdrawing. So make sure you do not skip any single second of the video. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online. And if you're new, you gotta know that me and my team, we upload over 3 videos every single day for your value. And the reason we do that is because we are not happy with how much BS there is in the make money online niche. There's a lot of people that make 20-30 minute long videos and it's not worth it. We try to compress the content into a few minutes so you can understand if this method is for you or not. So if you appreciate it, subscribe to this YouTube channel and like the video for the YouTube algorithm. And I can shout you out in one of the next videos. So all you gotta do is comment something cool down below, something funny, or your Instagram username, YouTube account, TikTok account down below. I'll take it, I'll put it in the shout out jar and shout you out in one of the next videos, just like this. Okay, so here's how the method works. The first thing you gotta do is go on Google and search for Spotify. As you can see, Spotify lately has been getting a higher interest percent, especially during quarantine, but in general, there's more and more people that are using Spotify. Me myself, I started using Spotify around here, 2014, 2015. That's when I started my subscription with them. So when you go on Spotify, it will kind of look like this. But you might be thinking, well, how can you make money by just listening to radio, browsing for music, listening to some jazz, some rock anthems? How can you do that? Well, there's a very, very simple way to do it. It's not complicated. I'll walk you through it. The first thing you gotta do is create a Spotify playlist, because as you can see from this website, I won't tell you the website from the beginning, but this website, you can earn $12 per song. I'll tell you the website at some point of the video. So on this website, you can get $12 per song. So if you just have 100 songs, you can get $120. So this is the strategy we'll go over, and it's a legit website, it's a famous website. I think you don't know it yet, but you see it in the video. So you gotta click sign me up and start. But before that, you gotta sign up for Spotify, and then you want to click here, new playlist. You want to create a playlist, and the playlist will will have a really cool name. For example, my Pop Vibes 1990s, and you want to just create and find pop songs that are in the 1990s. So you want to search for pop and browse, or you want to go on Google and type in pop songs 1990s. And then what you want to do is find really cool songs like this and just add them to your playlist. Here, the playlist that you just created. It can be called, Pop Songs 2020. And what you do after is, and here is the website, you go on playlistbush.com, you go on curators, you go on this section, paid per review, and you click sign me up. The payout is instant, and all you gotta do is type in 0 to 1,000 followers, because you probably have no one after you created the playlist. Create your country and then you start. But you gotta know, never click this one. Always click this option, because you just want to get accepted to their website. If this video helped you out, make sure you give it a like. If you're new, subscribe. And remember that a video a day keeps the doctor away. And remember, this is no financial or medical advice. Do your own due diligence. See you next one. Check one of these videos out. Bye.